Hey guys, Dan here. Look, I'm looking at Tesla today. First of all, true confessions. Over at Option Market Mentor, I put on a bear put debit spread on Tesla on Friday, and my theory was this: we don't see this kind of move today. But and this goes out to July, so this wasn't like a quick, oh, I want to trade and make sure it's down on Monday. I didn't know. And so when I'm not real sure, I'll extend out a little bit. If I really see a big move coming, like, why buy 50 or 60 days when you can buy four? It's a lot cheaper, and then you make money on a big move as long as you're right. And so I wasn't really sure which way Tesla was going, but I was looking at a few things here. First of all, the declining 50-day moving average, that means something. Sorry about all these lines. I've drawn those for different reasons. One of which was this: when I'm drawing this stuff up here, this was when like the stock was back here, and my question was, okay, what do we need to do to think the stock's going to go higher? And so I started drawing these lines in space and said, it really needs to be doing this. I need to see it keep continuing to go up. Well, it did the opposite. Okay, so that's a bad sign. And then now it's continued to go below the 200-day moving average. And then now it's back above it today. So, but this is one day, 4.4%. That's a big move. And I'm not discounting it. What I am saying is this. And by the way, my bear put debit spread, very speculative, and I mentioned that to our members, like, guys, when you're betting against Tesla, you're kind of betting against one of the biggest showmen around who could come out and say, I've discovered the cure for cancer and it's free for every Tesla that you buy with Ethereum. You just never know with this guy. And so it's always speculative when you're making a downside bet. So the other alternative would be, I could see the stock coming up. Sorry about that. To test even the 50-day moving average. And so how high is that? Well, it's up to 650. But if it does that, it doesn't negate the downtrend. It would still be a series of lower lows and lower highs. So here's my point on this. Don't be a Tesla fan. Don't be a bear. Don't be a bull. Just look at Tesla, make your assessment of what the stock is doing, and then act accordingly. As I look at the weekly chart here, I see a stock that's doing this, that's drifting lower. Even this last low here, is actually, it's a bit lower than the previous low. So, there's nothing really to like about this chart. And so if you're watching this and you're listening and you're saying, like, Dan, you don't know what you're talking about, Tesla this and that and the other thing. Look, I get it. I'm just looking at the chart. I'm not, nobody's paying me to be some stupid fan for somebody and say, oh, this guy's great. This lady's perfect. Oh my gosh, you got to just follow her. Follow yourself. That's what really matters, is you got to learn the lessons of the market, learn the lessons that your own trading behavior are teaching you, and then become a better trader. I can't make you better. Nobody can make you better. Only you can make you better. So that's all I got to say about that. Oh, but one other thing, you want to talk about making you better. I am raffling off a free coaching session. The raffle is going to be at the end of this month on Sunday before Memorial Day. And I'm just picking one person, actually one for our chart of the day and one for our members. So you can hoodwink me and sign up twice. And here's how you do it. Put in the subject line for one of them, COTD, that's short for chart of the day. And the other one, say coaching. Go ahead and enter it twice. That's kind of how we're keeping them. But send it to my own website homepage, which I haven't built yet. It's a brand new a brand new business called FitzpatrickTradingGroup.com. Dan at FitzpatrickTradingGroup.com. Now that has nothing to do with Stock Market Mentor. I'm always full-time at Stock Market Mentor. It's a website that I created in 2006. Actually, for you old timers, it was actually more like 2003. So I've been doing that a long time. This is just an individual thing that I'm doing because I thought it'd be a hoot. There you go. So if you want to be with me on the hoot, just go ahead and send your email to Dan at FitzpatrickTradingGroup.com, and hopefully I'll see you on Zoom. Okay? All right. Take care. I'll see you mañana.